Hi guys, Travis here, Perth Diesel Performance. Quick video, dual battery trays, DIY 70 series, instant tips, how to get them in there. Get a few questions. Obviously we've got one battery tray that fits, DPF, non-DPF. So here, I'll run you through some do's and don'ts and some things guys are going to be stuck on. Obviously, when you first get the car, you've got a bracket here that's got your injector drivers. This vehicle here is a DPF model. It has got the extra piezo injector drivers. This is mounted here. We need to remove the injector drivers from the vehicle, take them off the bracketry. We've prepped already in this vehicle. You'll see here we've already done a dummy fit, drilled the holes, it's got etch primer on there. What I want to point out is prepping the loom. Obviously the wiring can get a bit tight in there. You need to work on how to tuck it away nicely so it's not rubbing on anything. What you'll see is there's two large connectors as well. You'll see them resting down in the corner. So they're all just resting down there. The injector drivers, the end result, are going to sit along here on the side of the battery tray. So it's a little bit of a juggling act, but once you've got it right, it just fits like a glove. And the other thing is too, this bracketry at the back here, this wiring will just sit along here. What you want to make sure is when it goes in, nothing's forceful, it all just sits nicely at home. The air conditioning in these vehicles is aftermarket. You may need to move this bracketry along here over just a little bit, just a bit of a tweak. Same thing in the fuel system when they put the aircon in, this may be touching here. Just have a look at that, make sure nothing's rubbing or touching. But the big one I want to say is obviously with this wiring, you'll see here we've got a zip tie. We've tied it down here so it's not going to come up and rub on anything. The connectors are all nicely tucked away. At the end, that's going to sit there, this is going to sit here. The reason I've got these injector drivers sitting on connected now, we're going to put them there, put the tray in, and then we're going to fit the screws. That's the easiest way to do it. Before you do that as well, make sure you run the cable for your battery link through the grommet in the firewall. A little tip that'll save you a bit of time. Also put your battery link solenoid, bolt that to the tray as well, just loosely, just so it's all started. And you'll probably find the job will go together a lot nicer, and yeah.